I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by DSM, Animal Nutrition. The spot corn contract has continued to chop mostly sideways between 4 and 4.30 for much of the fall. More modest corn prices have certainly gained the interest of global trading partners as exports have been running relatively strong. Weekly data shows U.S. corn exports to the world have been running mostly above the 5-year average since July. For the first few months of the new crop year, exports have been running between 30 and 45 million bushels outside of a couple of weeks. So far, for this crop year, exports are up 87 million bushels from the same period a year ago. As of the November WASDE report, the USDA is calling for a 33 million bushel increase in exports for the 2024-2025 marketing year. However, if the current export pace is sustained, it would likely require the USDA to revise the export number higher. A larger export number on the corn balance sheet would ultimately continue to tighten stocks to use. Reducing stocks to use should keep corn prices well supported and may result in some upward momentum. Turning to this week's markets, light cash trade occurred in the north at 185 to 188 live and 290 dressed, ranging from steady to $3 higher than the prior week. Light cash trade also occurred in the south at 186 to 187, $1 to $2 firmer than the previous week. After multiple weeks of trading softer, the live cattle complex staged somewhat of a recovery this week. December live cattle traded over $3 per hundredweight higher to near 186.5. The February contract rallied close to $3 and slated to close just over 188. Feeder cattle also had a solid rally this week. January feeders are closing around 254, while the March contract was trading around 253. The feeder cattle index continued to gain momentum this week as it was quoted near 254 on Thursday, close to $2 higher on the week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.